Dolls and gents, welcome back. It is nail day, so I'm at home getting nails together and I'm laying stones today. So I'm doing the stones first because y'all know they take the absolute longest to do on my long nails. I'm going to try to find some stones maybe once. I don't like my stones too big, but I feel like I could go one size up from these stones, but I don't like those big gigantic stones. So we're getting everything laid down. I'm going to do the stones on one hand, do the stones on the other hand, and then I'll come back in with the stickers. I am doing stickers this time. It's just a lot easier for me. I'm going to do two different hands, so I will show y'all. And right now I'm getting the, base coat, and I'm using a glittery polish underneath. It helps set off the stones more when you use a glittery polish underneath when you're doing stones. Some of you may know that I've learned that from other nail techniques and watching videos. I used to just do a plain polish or a color, but I do feel like using like a reflective or glitter polish underneath when you're laying stones really makes it pop. If you guys know a very good polish to put underneath stones, please tag it down below or send it to me on Instagram. I am looking for some like good polishes to go underneath laying your rhinestones is what I'm trying to say. So let's get into it. So now I have the stickers laid, and I didn't know these were the puffy stickers again. I love the puffy stickers, but they don't lay flat with the glue, with the gel, with the rhinestone gel. They just don't lay flat. But I love these stickers. Y'all gonna see when I turn the camera around for y'all to see. Absolutely love them. But I'm gonna go ahead and use them up because I bought them, so I'm gonna use them. So we're just gonna make it work. All right, cutie pies, I am done. I used a reflective gel polish under these stickers so they would show up really, really good. I'm recording this with one hand, y'all, so look at it. I'm definitely satisfied with it. I did two separate things on two different hands, so I'm going to show y'all. Here is and I'll take the flash off so y'all can see it with the flash off. Let me try. Hold on, y'all. All right, so this is how it looks with the flash off. And I don't know why this phone want to give me a hard time today. Just needed to cooperate. And this is how it looks with the flash on. We have some reindeer, some Christmas trees, some Santa Clauses. We are definitely glistening because that's what we do. I love it. Bring y'all back some. I'm trying to figure out, oh, there it is, where to put it so I can zoom in. Y'all see them? The reindeer, the tree, the Santa. I am going, so today is the week of Thanksgiving. I went ahead and did these. And then I go back like December 10th or 11th or something. And I'm going to do the Grinch. I think I have some Grinch stickers left. So that's the left hand. And this is the right hand. So on the right hand, it's more of the snowman. More of the silver. Oh, I'm missing a stone. More of the, I only have one rhinestone nail. More of the silver. Penguin. More of the, I think I have one that's mostly gnomes. You see the acorns. Oh. Here's one. The pinky has mostly gnomes on it. So there's a gnome. There's a gnome. There's a gnome. There's a gnome. So this hand, and here's, hold on, y'all. Let me get y'all right. Santa. Santa's on the thumb. Merry Christmas. His bag. And he's on the thumb. So I have on my right hand, Santa's on the thumb. And on the other four fingers is mostly snowmen and gnomes. This hand is mostly like, you can see the blue, red, and green, the normal traditional Christmas nails with one blinged out nail. I don't like that blinged out nail. I don't know what I'm going to do about it, but I don't like it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about this one. I'm not feeling it. So this is the right hand. And then, like I said before, this is the left hand. So yeah, happy holidays. I hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll probably upload these like the first week in December so that it can be in December. But I hope everyone has a absolutely wonderful Thanksgiving. I am going to go enjoy my nails and eat me some food, and see y'all in the next one.